The WordPress block editor is a fantastic way to add different types of content, but in doing so, you may see this common message titled WordPress block editor not working. This can happen due to any one of the reasons: faulty plugins, outdated themes, errors in WordPress core files, technical errors, and settings misconfigurations. Now let's talk about the solutions. You can start with clearing out the cache of your browser. Click on the three dotted menu bar from the top right corner of your browser. Go to More Tools and Clear Browsing Data. Now check all of the boxes and click on Clear Data. Personally, I'm not going to clear the cookies for my browser as I don't think it is needed for now, but be sure to check this option to solve the issue. You can try reinstalling the latest version of WordPress. Go to Updates of your WordPress site to check if your site is updated. If your site is not updated, then you will see the Update button with the latest version of WordPress. Click on it to allow and complete the update. Plugins may be an issue, so you can try deactivating a plugin that you think is causing this trouble. Go to Installed Plugins under Plugins. Then click on Deactivate of a plugin you think is bothering your site. Another trick is to take your website to its default theme. Go to Themes under Appearance. Then activate the latest default theme. The 2022 theme is the latest theme as of the year 2022. You can also check the visual editor to see if it has been disabled mistakenly. Go to Profile under Users and be sure to keep the option for Visual Editor unchecked. If the previous solution still does not work, then you can try looking for JavaScript errors. So go to Developers Tools under More Tools of your browser's menu. Now click on the Console tab. If there are any issues, it will be displayed here. Errors that are red in color are usually the ones you need to look out for. You may need to talk to a developer to solve JavaScript issues. Outdated PHP versions may cause various problems to your WordPress site, not just to the block editor. Fortunately, this one is easy to solve. Just type and install the latest plugin for Display PHP version. You can check if your PHP is updated when you go to the dashboard of your site. You can also check your site's cPanel to check the version of your PHP as shown in this snapshot. We have a more detailed information on this issue. Fortunately, we have a blog on this issue, so be sure to check the link in the description box below. And that is how you can solve the WordPress block editor issue if it does not work. For more video on using Appzero to manage, license, and deploy your WordPress plugins for your users, be sure to check out Appzero or email us for more information.